Hey guys, this is Kelvin and Akui's toy review, Tong's toy review. We are so sorry that we didn't update any new toy review video for the past few months because we both are busy with our work and family business. But not to worry, we are back. And I am going to do something different this time. Not reviewing Lego. I mean, come on, the YouTube got a lot of YouTubers that reviewing Lego, so I'm going to review something different. Oh yeah, before we started, I'll let you know I'm using iPhone 6 for this video recording, so the quality a little bit bad, so I apologize for that. Okay, let's start it. Ta-da! And here is it, Xingbao brick. This is the first Xingbao brick I purchased. And to let you know, it first revealed during 29 Guangzhou Toy and Hobby Fair. I have a chance to look at it at the internet, and first time I look at this set, I'm loving it. I tell myself I have to get it. So now I order it from the regular place I always order. So now I get it in the first hand. I'm happy with it. And to let you know, it's quite heavy. I never purchased the Lego modular set, but I think I didn't expect it's quite heavy for this set. And the price is quite fair. This is a big set. One thing that I love the most, oh, you guess it, the Chinese theme. Yes, you see, the Chinese theme. I mean, you didn't get to see this every day. I mean, which of the brick got Chinese theme, right? So this is the first time they're doing the Chinese theme. Okay, now let's go open it and see what's inside. Okay, now we are here, so we're gonna open the package. Take a look right inside. Okay, let's open. Wow. Oh, nice. Not bad, really. I mean, I quite like the packaging design. So this must be, oh, this is the book that teaches how to build the thing. Okay, it's quite big. And this is the second one. Wow, just a little bit. I wonder why they put just a bit, maybe this is the page that short from this. I don't know. Okay, let's open and see what's inside. I better put it down. Whoa! And your guess is good as mine. I wonder they got number or not. You know, the Lapin set usually don't have the number on the back, so you eventually have to look for each bag to find your part. Okay, I can see it does have a number. I don't know. This is my first time. Look a lot like Lego. I mean, it's a rip-off, right? But it's their own theme. Okay, I'm gonna take it out and see how many packets are there. Okay, this is all the package. Oh, and this is the figure, mini figure. And I think I'm gonna need some time to finish it all. As you know, I have to work and sometimes take care of my child, so I can only do this at night when they are sleeping. So it's gonna take me some time. I will upload a toy full review of everything finished after this thing is done. I think maybe it's gonna take me 1 week or something, I don't know. Oh yeah, here's the base. Well, this time the base didn't bend. Quite nice. I think it's quite nice. so it's gonna took me some time, so it's okay. I'll finish it as soon as possible, and I'm gonna update the video so we all can take a good look of it. Okay, thank you, and stay tuned for the next review. Thank you, bye. Hi, welcome back to the Tong toy review. As you can see, I finally complete Xingbao XB01001 set. It took me about 1 week, I think, because sometimes I'm busy, I cannot do it. So when I'm free, I just keep on going and complete all the set, and finally complete, and it works great on the outside. Now I'm going to show you the house set first, the Tong. Okay, let's see. This set is unlike the Lego modular set, because Lego modular set sometimes it have corner side, but this 4 side, each of the side have its own design. There's no flat. See, even the wall has its design. I'm not so sure what is this. I really don't know. Maybe if you visit China, you might see this in the history area, the heritage area. I mean, okay, it's quite good. I like it, and we are going to see the ground floor first. Check this out. Alright, now let's take a close look of its interior. You can see this is the main entry. Here is the main door. Okay, you can close and open. Nice. And let's turn around. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to remove here. This one is the storeroom, I think. Put all his sleep. See, I mean the fabric in here. And the door over here. Oops. Okay. Door over here. Here is the main store that is sells the cig over here, and the company banner. You had two of the company banner. One is the first floor, but now we are focusing the ground floor. Everything is cool. Okay. Yeah, just forget to mention the clock is, I make some modify on it because it printed the wrong side. If I put it back just here, it will be like this. So I have to add this one extra part to change it like this. The front, it got a pillar for this banner and the lantern. Okay. Okay, that's all it for the ground floor. We're gonna moving on to the first floor. Here is the first floor and the only floor in the. Let's open up the roof first. It's quite easy to open since you got only 4 bricks to hold it. Oh, it's fall down again. It's fall down. Here's the banner, the main banner. Okay, let's take a look inside the first floor. Okay, here we are, the first floor, the interior first floor. Here is the, I think here is the trailer room that they design, cutting, make the clothes. As you can see, there's a monkey here, and here is the, I think here is changing room. The hole is closed, and the trailer sit here to do his work, but it doesn't give scissor. I wonder why. And some of, I don't know, actually it's quite empty inside. Not much of thing inside of the hat and the painting. And here is the ladder to climb down the ground floor. Well, that's all it. And the windows look quite nice. I like it. Okay, now you already see all the set. I'm gonna show you the minifigure. In this set, you got 10 minifigure. That's right, 10 minifigure. Oops, wrong side here. And I thought we just got 5 minifigure and the extra 5. Well, each of the minifigure has its own name. Well, it's written on the packaging box. So I'm going to show you the minifigure that relate to this drum. Okay. As you can see, this one is, I think it's Wong. He's Mr. Wong and his wife and their son. And this is the worker and the tailor. So it's related with this set. But this 5, I don't know why they give extra. Not that I complain, but okay. It wear modern suit, wear suit, and I don't know why. In the packaging, it write down that he is a lawyer, and this one is his name is Ouyang, lawyer Ouyang, and this one is Madam Ouyang. So I don't know. Are they related? I'm not so sure. This is the maid, okay, and this is I'm not so sure. He is a barber. His name is Edward, and this one is a university student. That's all like in the packaging box. So I'm not so sure why they appear in here in this set. And of course, they have some small part. Also come with small part like the bicycle. This is the first time I saw one. And a trolley, maybe the worker use. And of course, a standing banner. That's all the set. Now, you see all the set and the minifigure, everything. I'm gonna talk about their build technique. Okay, now I'm gonna talk the floor side of the design, of this design. Normally I do not complain much, but since if you want to purchase this thing, or if you want to get this one for yourself, I have to let you know. Okay. Now the first thing is the main door. Okay. It's cool outside. Okay. It looks cool, but let me remove the whole side first to show you the problem of the door. I need to point out these two things I created myself. I changed the design because the original, they do not possess these two things to hold down the door. They just stand with these two things, two bricks that just stand around. It's not very tight. Even if you open the door, this thing will come out. Let me show you. See? Nothing to hold them off. I don't know why. It's just like this. Okay, moving on. And one thing is this here, the shot. The build is not very strong. For example, let me show you this band. Okay, it doesn't have this long yellow brick. I added myself. If I do not add this thing will come up easily. It doesn't stick to its place. And that's the one of the flaw side. Okay. Yeah, I also forgot about the sticker. The sticker quality is also very bad. Just be careful when you tear it down, or you might break it. And here, the two pillar. Here, the roof is only supported by these two pillars. See? I don't know why they think of this, but actually it is not very, very tight. It's just easily to come off, so I don't know. And now the first floor. Okay, you think this one is great, but the build panel is quite weird. I'll remove the roof first. I'm going to show you something at the bottom you hardly see. You see that? As you can see, the red one is the official. In the book, he teach me how to use this to hold on to the brown one. This gray brick is the one I added myself, so this whole set can be much stable, or it can hold together. Otherwise, it will come out easily like this thing. It just feels so loose. I don't know, the quality is bad, really bad, not that good. Okay, and you see here, the thing that holding the banner is not on display. It's supposed to be on display, but I changed the center. I don't know why they put in the side. And even I put in center, it's not very sticky, you know. It will eventually come off. They should put two of this thing. Maybe they're saving cost. I don't know. See? And here, the window. You're not gonna believe me. See? It just come out easily. Just here, like holding it. Let me show you. What the hell? Just two of the brick are holding it, and it come up easy. Especially here. You see, you can turn around. Okay, now I put it back together. The only thing cool or look good of this thing is the roof. It's true, I like the roof. How the roof go? And yeah, you see this? The brown side of the brick. The build is also weird. Very weird. But since they want to show the color different from the white, so I think I can understand that. And here is the part. I do not know they go have this, or this is the first set ever come out with this thing. A dragon statue, you can see it. It's quite nice. And it's quite sharp. Be careful when you build this thing. It might hurt your hand. Okay, now you've seen all of this seal drum set. I'm gonna give you my final thought, my opinion about this set. It's quite a bit a disappointment to me, but don't get me wrong, this set is a good set. Really, I like this set. The design, everything is good. Just the build technique is really not bad, but not good either. They should, I think Xingbao should take some time to polish the set, but they didn't. They just want to earn our money, so they just release as soon as possible. Well, that is not good for us. I think some of us, I don't know, not like me. I played this building in quite a long time, so I know I can change with some spare part. But people that we don't have other spare part, they just can't do a thing. So it's not good for the customer. Other than that, everything is okay. Everything is okay. I do not complain. Just like I said in previous, some of the parts are quite sharp. So this set is not suitable for children under 12 years old. That is my opinion. Okay, so be careful when you purchase this set. Okay, that's all of it. And I hope you click subscribe button and give me a like, so more video review will be coming to your way. And if you like this set, if you are Malaysian, you can click on the link below to the brick getter where I always get my brick in that place. It have a nice set of collection. You can go ahead, take a look. And I hope to see you again in the next video review. Okay, bye.